Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to crochet this Mickey Mouse applique. So let's get started. At first make a slip knot. Then make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now work for round 1. Make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. These 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 11 double crochet in the center of the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now this 3 chain count as double crochet, so here is total 12 double crochet. Now slip stitch in the third chain. This is the first round completed. Now work for second round. Make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. These 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet in same stitch. So here is 2 double crochet in same stitch including this chain. Now make 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. Make 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. Make 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. Make 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. So continue all around up to end. Now in the end we have got 24 double crochet here including this chain. Now slip stitch in the third chain or in the top of chain. Now work for the ear. Make the first ear. Now turn the work. Make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. Now slip stitch in the same stitch. So we have made the ring. Now turn the work. Now make 2 chain. 1 and 2. Make 10 double crochet in this circle. 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Make 2 chain, 1 and 2, and slip stitch in this circle. This is the first yarn. Now make 6 single crochet in next each stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now turn the work. Make the second yarn. Make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Make slip stitch in the same stitch. Now turn the work. Make 2 chain. Again make 10 double crochet in this circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now make 2 chain and slip stitch in this circle. This is the second yarn. Now make single crochet in each stitches. Make single crochet in next stitch. So make the single crochet all around. So we have finished making the single crochet. Now slip stitch in this very first stitch where we started the work. Now make slip stitch. Then give a knot. Now pull the yarn and cut it. Now insert the yarn with needle. Now this is the Mickey Mouse applique. Thanks for watching.